Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to number the icons on your taskbar, so that way if you are the type who likes to use the Windows key plus the number to toggle through your apps. So for example, let's say I wanted to open File Explorer, that's number 3 here. I press Windows key 3 and that opens that. And I could do Windows key 4 to open an existing app, like so. And then Windows key 4 again to minimize it, Windows key 3 to minimize that. So let's say you have a bunch across the taskbar here and you wanted to see some numbers just to make it easier so you could quickly access them. We're going to show you how to do that. So to accomplish this, we're going to be using the Windhawk app. So if you don't know what Windhawk is, it is a free tool that you install. And then once you install, you add what are called mods into the app. So these mods allow you to change how Windows functions and appears. So once you install it, you'll have your home screen, which shows you any installed mods and then some featured mods. Then you have the Explore section here where you could search for mods, filter, sort, and so on. All right, so the one we're going to be using is called Taskbar Number for Windows 11. So you'd want to search for this one here in the Explore section in the search box here. And then once you find it, click on Details and then Install. And every time you install a mod in Windhawk, it's going to pop up a little warning message saying to be careful. So that's normal, so don't worry about that. And then it will be in your Home section. And then you can enable it or disable it as needed, remove it, go into the details, enable, disable, remove from there as well. So you can see it shows us what it's going to do here. And here are the settings for it. So let's enable it first. And you can see nothing's there until we actually click on something down here. Now it shows the numbers. So you could change the position if you want. Let's say top left. Make sure you click on save each time. And we go down there, it shows them. Change the font size if you want. Let's say it's a little too big. Let's go down to maybe 5, like so. Or maybe like a little bigger. Let's go 25, like so. Default is 12, so you might want to make a note of that. And then you could change the number color if you want to put in the hex number for the particular number and change the outline color. And then if you have more than one monitor, if you want to show it on all the taskbars, you could turn it on here. And then let's say we added a new shortcut to the taskbar. Let's go over here. Let's say we want to add PowerPoint, pin to taskbar. You can see it's number 9 there. And let's say we open something that's not on the taskbar, like the Microsoft Store. You can see start at number 10 there, which is a 0. So it's only going to be single digits. So even if we go back here, put this down to 5, for example, it's still going to show like that. But then if we open something else past 10 here, let's say Notepad, then it's not going to show a number. And that's because you can't do Windows key 10 as a shortcut on the keyboard, because that's not going to work because it's 2 digits. So it's only going to go up to 10. And then if we unpin this, for example, now you can see that takes its place. All right, so once again, go to the Windhawk website and download the app. I'll put a link in the description. Search for Taskbar Number in Windows 11 in the search box here. Click on Details, Install, configure it as you like. And then if you change your mind, you can just turn it off. And that's all there is to it. All right, and as a side note for Windhawk, it needs to be running in the system tray down here in order for your mods to stay working. So if they ever stop, just come down here and make sure it's listed there. And if it's not, just restart Windhawk and it should put it back. And then it should also be set to start with Windows so you don't have to come in here and restart it each time you start your computer. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.